Hi, let's start. Yesterday we discussed PowerShell ISE, right? Let's open the ISE. Open with administrator. And now the console is loaded. Okay. Along with this, we have discussed read-host, write-host, all those things, right? So we'll continue with the same thing. Okay. We'll see few more examples. So let's begin with clear-host. So you know, right, what is clear-host? So here we have button. Okay. Clear console pane. Okay. Clear-host also does the same thing. So if you have something in the console, you can uh, see here, I'm randomly typing some string. We want to clear this. Just run this clear-host or press this button. See, it is cleared. Okay. So we'll start with read-host. Enter the first number, then read-host. Enter the second number. What we'll do now? So we'll take uh, first number, then we'll take second number, then we just multiply that. Okay. So normally first number into second number, right? We'll get the result. Okay. So we'll take this into one variable. We'll take first number equal to. So whatever we are entering the first number, right? It will store to this variable. Dollar first number. For the second number, we'll give dollar second number. So whatever we are entering second number, it store into second number, this variable. Okay. So dollar first number into dollar second number, right? We'll see this. We'll run the script. It is asking enter the first number, give 5, and the second number, give 2. The expected answer is 10, right? So it is showing 55. Why it is showing 55? Okay. We'll do one thing. We'll take this result into another variable. We'll take dollar result. So let's run the script. Enter the first number 5, enter the second number 2. So there is no display, right? Why there is no display? This 2 first number into second number stored into this result. So nothing to display, right? It is stored. So if we need the display, we need to call this result variable alone. We'll do that. Okay. Now we'll run the script. 5, 2. Okay. But the result is wrong, right? It is the same result. It's not the right one. Expected answer is 10. So the result will see the data type of result, get type. So we already discussed for read-host, the default data type is string. Okay. So we'll see this. See, it is showing string here. String is a data type. So we want we want the number, right? We need to perform the multiplication. So we need two numbers, but it is taking a string. We'll okay. We don't run this for now. Okay. So we'll run the script. We'll put the hash here, so it won't execute. It will take as comment, which we already discussed. Let's run the script. Enter the first number 5. In the second, sorry, I'll stop the script. Press the red button and stop the script. So run it again. So since this is a string data type, right? We'll give some string. We'll just give PowerShell. And then second we'll give 5. We'll see the result. Okay. So we need to call this result again, right? Let's run again. PowerShell 5. So it will print PowerShell 5 times. Okay. So now we need the correct result. What will provide for first number and second number, it should store as integer, right? So we'll change the data type as integer. Integer. Let's run. Enter the first number 5. Enter the second number 2. Now it is printing the correct answer, right? Okay. Let's see the data type now. See, now it is integer. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll use the right hyphen host and give the result. Right hyphen host, double quote, dollar, first number into dollar, second number equal to dollar result. Okay. We'll give some color. Sorry. We'll give some foreground color. So let's run the script again. Enter the first number is 5. Enter the second number. Again, we'll give 5. See, 5 into 5 equal to 25. This is just a small script just to understand the read hyphen host and write hyphen host. Okay. Now we'll see one more script. Okay. Let's clear this. Clear host. We'll run the clear host. Okay. We'll remove all these things. Now what we'll do, we'll do some age calculator. Okay. So right hyphen host will take backtick t. So to tab. Okay. You remember, right? Yesterday we discussed. So just to give the heading, okay. After to tab, it will be displayed here. Age calculator. Will give some color. Then, so for finding the age, what is a normal calculation? So we'll take the current date minus the date of birth. We'll get the age, right? Total number of days, right? So for the current date in PowerShell, how we'll find? That is get hyphen date. So first we'll take the date of birth. We'll ask date of birth, okay? We'll ask user to enter the date of birth. So read hyphen host, enter the DOB. So normally if we are giving this to some normal user, they don't know, right, what format they have to enter. For that, we can just provide an example here. 01 Jan 2000. Just an example. Okay. So date of birth entered. What is next? So we need the current date, right? For that, get hyphen date, right? Now how we calculate the age? Get hyphen date minus the date of birth which user is entering, right? Okay. So if you run just like this, it won't work, right? So we'll take the help of variables. We'll store this into one variable. We'll just take DOB, date of birth. This is get hyphen date, current date, right? Current date. So DOB, sorry, first will be current date, then minus DOB. Okay. Let's run and see. If we are getting some error, that time we'll see. So just run. It is showing the age calculator. Enter the date of birth. We'll just give 01 and Jan. We'll just give 2010. Okay. 2010. Okay. There is an error, right? Why there is an error? We already discussed, right? The read hyphen host will take as a string data type default. Okay. So we need to make this. What data type we need to make? We are entering in date format, right? For date format, we already seen one data type, that is date time. If you are not clear, just go to the session, data type session. Okay. Just see that session once again, and you will get a clear idea. So date time data type. So whatever we are entering DOB, it will store as a date time format, right? So current date also will take date time. Anyways, get hyphen date is already in date. It will be in date time format only, but still will give. Okay. Still will provide date time data type. Now let's see the result. We'll run the script, enter the date of birth. We'll just give 01 Jan 2010. Okay. Now it is showing days, hours, minutes, second, milliseconds, right? So this is not, if the display output is like this, it is not clear, right? Whoever using the script, they will get confused. So what we'll do, we'll take only days. Okay. Even if we provide the days, that also not clear, right? So if someone is looking for age, they need exact age. So they cannot calculate. How will calculate if we get the days? How we will calculate? Total days divided by 365 days. 365 days in a year, right? So this days divided by 365 will get the exact age. We'll see that. So what we'll do, we'll take this result, current date hyphen dob, will take this result into one variable. We'll just give age equal to, okay. Then we'll call this age here. We run this. We are getting the same thing, right? We just taken this into this age variable. Okay. Now what we'll do, age, we need only days, right? So to take only days, we seen one grouping concept, if you remember. For services, get even services in the bracket, then dot count will get the total count, right? That is a grouping concept. And again, if we want to take services status, we'll take dot status. I'll just show you. We'll just take get hyphen service close bracket count. Will show us the total count. See here in the console, you can see, right, 302 down. Same thing, status will give only status result. Will run only the selection. See, status alone displayed here, right? This is a grouping concept. The same way, the same thing will apply here. Okay, so we'll remove this for now. So this age will take into the bracket. Dot, we need days, right? Days. Okay. So we'll take this into one variable. We'll just give days. Okay, before that, let's just run this and see what would be the result. 01 Jan 2010. See, the days alone is displayed here, right? So what we need to do it now? We need to divide it by 365 days to find the exact age. For that, we'll just take this into one variable, days. Then we'll call this days here, run the script. We'll get the same result, 01 Jan 2010. Okay. So what we'll do now, we'll give by 365 divided by 365 days. 365 days in a year, right? So run this. 01 Jan 2020 or 2010, whatever you can give. Okay. And now what is here? It is showing 13.95, right? We just round off that. For that, we have to give the data type as integer. So we'll get the exact number. So we'll just give integer, okay? So we'll take one more thing. We need to find the year, right? We'll take one more variable here. Year. Okay. Now int year to get the exact number. We'll see what the result we are getting. We'll give any just 01 December 20. Okay. So now this is showing the exact number, right? Okay. So this integer will give here itself because we want to take this result in right hyphen host. We'll give some color code and all. Okay. Just we'll see. Okay, it is showing 14 years. So this year will take in right hyphen host. Okay, this is nothing pre-planned. Okay, this script. I just started writing the script and we got some error and we troubleshooted and rectified it. The same way you can try it. You have to keep practice. I'll take this into right hyphen host. And you might have a different style to write the script. You can follow that. So once you started doing, you will get multiple options. Your age is will give some color. Okay. See, it is displayed here, right? This way you can write the script. So that's all in this session. We'll see you in the next section. Thank you.